People, get ready for an unmissable event. Tune in to Saturday morning runnings this Saturday, April 19, for a show bursting with energy, inspiration, and culinary delight. We are thrilled to welcome the dynamic Cheryl Levy-Foote, entrepreneur, author, and a philanthropist extraordinaire from Port St. Lucie, Florida, to our powerhouse lineup this Saturday. Cheryl joins the effervescent team of Shern's, Max Poet, Lady D, and myself, Jackie, for an unforgettable experience. Founder and CEO of Truly Delicious Foods, Cheryl brings her magic to the kitchen with premium, all-natural, prep-ready seasoning blends. They're designed to make cooking easier, faster, and of course, healthier. She will also showcase her talents in the kitchen with a live demonstration of a delectable Easter dish that will have your taste buds dancing. So don't miss it. Join us live on Instagram at Lady Denise Gomez, or on Facebook at Inside the Zone, or on YouTube at Inside the Zone with Lady D. Mark your calendars, set your alarms, get ready for inspiration, laughter, and a touch of culinary brilliance. So don't miss it. See you there.